Welcome to our session. Hello. Hi everybody. Hi Irfan. Hi Rock Kashyap. Hello. Hi Seda. Hi. Hi. We're just going to wait for few more seconds and then we'll get started. Hello. Hi there. Hi, hello, welcome everyone to our session, our masterclass today. I'm Ashiana, I'm the National Training Manager for the Face Shop, and I'm very excited that we are going to do a session on salon-like skincare at home. Keeping in mind that we are mostly at home, majority of us are home most of the time. It's important to give our skincare, a good focus. Also, we are going to be doing our entire masterclass is focused on how we can achieve that beautiful natural glow at home. So in case if you aren't visiting a spa or a salon, then you know what you need to do. So before we get started, I'll tell you a little bit about the Face Shop. Hello everyone, welcome. So the Face Shop is a Korean brand. It's a leader in Korean skincare and one of the first Korean skincare brands in India. Its motto is natural makeup and skincare. So what the skincare that we believe in is comes from all natural ingredients, and we do not have any. It's clean beauty, and we also believe in being the leaders in clean beauty and being very responsible with our products. Hello, hi. So lovely to see everybody. So that is about the Face Shop. A little bit about me. I've been in the beauty industry, in the training beauty industry for the last decade. And I am very privileged to be a part of this, of this wonderful brand that I believe in and I love. And I'm very excited to help you with the different kinds of products and what we can do to achieve a beautiful glow. So the first thing that we need to do to ensure that we have, a great base, the first step is cleansing. So all of you must know a lot about cleansers. I'm going to help you a little bit with our cleansers. So the first thing for any salon or spa-like treatment, skincare treatment, is cleansing. And in this first step, what you want to do, hi Max Jaw, hello. Alright, the first thing you want to do is use an oil cleanser. Now, oil dissolves oil. So what this particular cleanser will do is it will dissolve all the sebum secretion, so all the oil that your face secretes. It will also dissolve, sunscreen, which is very difficult to remove but very important to put. So you will need something like this. This is a Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil. So if you see this, it's like a water consistency. It's a water consistency. Now what you need to do is take a little bit in your hand. So this is your first step of a salon or spa-like treatment at home for your skin. So you want to take a little bit of cleansing oil in your hand and nicely apply it into your face. You can do your face and your neck in small circular motions. Now take your time. Remember, this is luxury. This is self-care. You want to make sure that you're treating yourself well, you're treating your skin well. So small circular motions, and nicely it will dissolve any makeup, sunscreen, or any pollution, dirt, anything at all that is on your skin. Now I'll tell you a little bit more about this product. So if you see on your screen, that is the Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil. Now the Rice Water Bright is designed to dissolve all kinds of external irritants. That's everything that we mentioned. It is made up of rice water extract. So rice water extract helps you with brightening. It is a great home remedy as well, not only for brightening but for hair care as well. You have soapwort. Soapwort is a small flower. Soapwort will help you with deep cleaning, and moringa oil, which again is a flower, helps you with nourishing. Now, if you do this massage for your face, where in upward motions you're massaging your skin, you're ensuring that you're massaging the face really well, you will see that you're also cleansing the skin, and you will see oil plugs, blackheads, whiteheads slowly come off into your hand. Now you want to do this for a good 10-15 minutes, and take your time. The longer the better, and remember that the longer you do this, the more blood circulation, the more collagen. That's what we want. All right. So you nicely massage your skin with this oil, and then is our next step. Now we are doing a spa treatment. All right. It might be at home, but it's still a spa treatment. So we are not going to stop at one cleanser. We are going to move to a second cleanser. That would be our Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. This is one of our hero products, one of the best-selling products. Again, Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. It's a creamy cleanser, and you'll take a little bit on your hand. All right. Apply a little water. Now remember that you have the oil on your face. You have massaged your face for a good 10-15 minutes. Now you're going to cleanse it off. So you're going to take a little bit of the foaming cleanser into your fingers, and you'll take a little bit of that into your fingers, add a little water, foam it in your hands, and then nicely massage your face. Now, one of the mistakes I feel that a lot of people make is wash your face really fast. Now, this is for men and women both. We tend to be really quick with our face wash. You want to take at least, maybe 30 seconds to massage your skin. So take a little water, foam it up in your hand, and then apply the foam all over your face to ensure that you wash off the pollutants that has come out, the blackheads, whiteheads, oil plugs as well, and you have a nice clean base for your skin. So this is called the double cleanse, and this is something that at all spa treatments they do. Not only do they do this with your face, but with your body. So you will have at least 2 to 3 steps of cleansing to ensure that your skin is prepped well to welcome the other products that you're going to apply. So we are going to move to the next step. If you have any questions, please do ask. If not, I will have a Q&A round at the end of our session. Hi everybody. Thank you for all the love. That's a lot of hearts I see. All right. So now that we've double cleansed, we are going to take it up a notch. All right. So we are at advanced level skincare, and again, skincare at home. So no spas got anything on us. We are going to get that glow. So we are going to move on to the next product. Now we are still at the cleansing phase, which is to help your skin prep. It will also help remove all dead skin from your face. So your skin rejuvenates every 28 days, and it creates dead skin along the way. You want to remove that dead skin so that you ensure that it doesn't clog your pores. So we have a beautiful product here called the Papaya Scrub. Now this is one of my favorites. It's a very light gel-like scrub, and it's very mild. It has papaya enzyme, which works not only to clean but as a vitamin C derivative, which will brighten your skin as well. It will also exfoliate the top layer of your skin, ensuring that it's removing all the dead skin. So this is a great product to use. It has hyaluronic acid as well. So what hyaluronic acid does is it's a moisture magnet. It will grab moisture from the air and from the products you put on your face after it, and it will ensure that it it locks it in your skin for long-term hydration. So that will be that's an amazing product and an amazing ingredient. Now this papaya extract, papaya scrub, as you can see, is a gel like scrub. So what you want to do is, after you have double cleansed, you want to take the scrub, and it has very tiny particles in it, and what you want to do is you want to scrub it on your face for a good 30 seconds. Now once you've scrubbed it on the face, what you want to do is you want to wash it off with a little bit of water. You can have room temperature water, it doesn't have to be lukewarm. Hi Arvi. Alright, so it doesn't have to be lukewarm, and you need to make sure that then after that you rinse it off. I see a question here. Gauri asked me, is essential oil good for the skin? If you have had good results with essential oil, go right ahead. Essential oil is a good natural resource for the skin, and in fact the Face Shop adds essential oils to all our products. Alright, so let's move. So now we've done 3 steps to our spa treatment at home. All 3 steps have included cleansing. So that means that we have oil cleanse, foam cleanser, and we've used a scrub. Now what we are going to do is use a toner. So what the toner does is it preps your skin. It balances the pH level. pH level is your hydrogen level in the skin, ensuring that the alkaline and acid level in your skin is well balanced to keep your skin nice and fresh. So what I would recommend is using our white seed serum. Now the white seed serum is a brightening, the toner is a brightening toner. So the white seed range is essentially used for brightening, to reduce pigmentation, to give you intense hydration. It has white lupin seed in it. It has white lupin seed, white daisy seed, which helps with the skin brightening. It also has white willow bark, which helps with skin cell regeneration. And it has one of these amazing, one of these amazing ingredients called niacinamide. Niacinamide helps with cell regeneration, and it also helps with acne control as well. So that's a great ingredient to have. So post your cleansing, what you want to do is use a toner. So the toner to help you give you a spa is our white seed toner. You want to take it on a little cotton pad, apply it on your entire face, and wait a couple of minutes for it to soak in. So I would always, even in your normal skincare routine, I would always recommend waiting a minute or 2, or if not at least 30 seconds before applying the next product. So after your toner, what you want to do is probably the most luxurious part of a spa treatment. That is using sheet masks. Now, I love sheet masking. It's something that I like to do daily. And in the Face Shop, we have the 2 variants that I'm going to talk about, is the Solutions sheet mask and the Real Nature sheet mask. Now, what sheet mask does is it helps keep serum on your skin for longer. Ideally, when you apply serum directly to your skin, it tends to evaporate into the air. However, with the sheet mask, it stays longer. So what you want to do with the sheet mask, you can even keep the sheet mask maybe 10 minutes in the fridge before using it to give you that nice cool feeling. You can tear open the sheet mask, open the pouch, remove your sheet mask and apply it on your face. You keep it for not more than 20 minutes. Remember, you don't want the sheet mask to dry on the face. you want it to be still damp. So don't keep it for more than 20 minutes. And the rest of the serum that's in the pouch, you can use on your hands, on your legs, elbows, neck, chest as well. So you can get that nourishment on your entire body. You wait for this 10 to 20 minutes and then you can remove the sheet mask, and then again give yourself at least a 1 minute massage to massage the serum in. And you want to use upward movements on your neck, you want to use circular movements on your face, and on your around the eyes what you want to do is again use movements that go from inner corner to outer, and again inner to outer below as well. This will help you with puffiness, with your dark circles as well, if you massage it from in to out and again in to out below. This is a great tip for those of you who have concerns for the under eye. Now once you're done with your sheet mask, you want to seal all that beautiful goodness. So what you want to do is you want to seal all that beautiful goodness with a serum. So you must be wondering, why am I adding so much? The reason why you're adding so much is, if you think back to your spa treatment, they constantly put products that cleanse and hydrate, cleanse and hydrate. So this is exactly what we are duplicating at home. And what the serum does is it will ensure, when you add a serum and then over the serum you'll add a cream, it locks in everything that you have applied on the face, ensuring that it stays on for a longer period of time, giving you that much needed hydration. So the beautiful product that I'm going to discuss now is our Calendula serum. Now our Calendula serum is amazing for hydration. Again, it has hyaluronic acid in it. It has 10% Calendula extract, which is anti-inflammatory, and it is antibacterial. And it also has a herb complex which helps you again for anti-inflammatory as well as intense moisture. So you take a little serum in your finger. So I'll just show you the texture of this one as well. So it's a it's very light and it gets absorbed into the skin really well. And you can take the serum, apply it on your face and dab, slowly dab. What happens is, because of your body heat, it gets absorbed into the face. You could also massage your skin. So if you're looking for techniques, you always want to do small circular motions on the face, and do not put too much pressure. It should be a very light pressure. You want to increase blood circulation. You don't want to massage the muscle. So very small circular motions. You can also go upwards on the jawline, upwards on the neck, and again go for your eyes. You can go in this motion from in to out, and from above also from in to out. You could also do something like this, where you're massaging it upwards like this. And again, you can use your face serum around the eyes as well. It really helps, and trust me, you will glow after this session. So this is your Calendula serum, which will give you hydration. And the next step is your eye cream. Now you've already been massaging around the eye for the past, say, 5 minutes. You've been using 2 products around the eyes, and what this will do is, this is the collagen eye cream. It's a lifting eye cream. It's for anti-aging. So the Face Shop's pomegranate and collagen range is an anti-aging range, and this particular product will help you with ensuring that there's enough collagen created in your skin. It will ensure that the skin gets nice and tight. So if you feel that you're getting too many fine lines around the eyes, this is a great product. This is how the product is. It is very easily blendable. And what it does, and what I particularly like about it, is that it gives you enough glide to really massage around the eyes, and this will make sure that the product gets absorbed, but it will also ensure that anti-aging. All right, so I hope up till here it's been you've enjoyed it. Now at this point, this is your eye cream. All right, so you've just massaged around the eyes. You're using this to ensure that it gets all nicely soaked in, and then we will end our face massage, only our face massage, with our next product. That's our Chia B12 Hydro Cream. Now the Chia B12 Hydro Cream is a wonderful product. It gives you instant glow, instant hydration. It has vitamin B12 in it, which will help you with skin rejuvenation. It has pro vitamin B3, which is your niacinamide, which will help you with, even if your skin is acne prone as well, it will help control sebum. And this is great for all those who don't like applying moisturizers because you feel they are too greasy, because this product is a gel based product. It does not give you any grease. So as you can see it here, and it's nicely absorbed. All the products have beautiful fragrance, so you will really enjoy this. This will not only help you with your skin, but also that entire spa like feeling. And again, once you apply the chia seed, you want to again go in for a nice facial massage, go upwards so that you're tightening your skin while doing this, and a nice 5 to 10 minute massage would do the trick. Now this is what you would want to do at home for your for that skin, for that glow. What you could also do for you while you're taking care of your face today is also apply something for your hair and feet. So what I want to introduce you to is our Jeju Aloe Gel. The Jeju Aloe Gel, it's 99% aloe. It has a wonderful ingredient list. It has aloe, spearmint, lemon balm, rosemary, lavender, bergamot, basil. It has sage and oregano, and it is natural, and again a gel like product. What you want to do is, on damp hair, you want to take a sufficient amount and apply it to your hair and emulsify it. Now what this will do is it will give your hair intense nourishment, and it will also ensure that any frizz from pollution, now again this is for men and women both, any frizz from pollution will get will get taken care of. You could also apply the same gel on your feet and hands, and wear a sock. So what it does is it keeps that nourishment in without it evaporating, and while you massage your feet with the gel, you can always it gets soaked in, but after wearing the sock and probably wearing it overnight, you will see the next day that it's going to be that your feet and hands will be very soft and nourished and healed. So one of the biggest things for aloe vera is that it has healing properties. So even if you get sunburn, tan, it helps your skin heal. So this is our spa treatment at home. I have not included any facial tools because in case if you're not comfortable, I don't want you harming your skin. However, the products that I have shown you will help you with blackheads, whiteheads, retexturing, ensuring give you a nice smooth finish on your skin, and once if you do this say in the afternoon, and by evening you will find that your skin is glowing. I hope you all have enjoyed this. I'm open to all questions. Please ask me any questions that you might have. Am I the owner of Lifestyle? I wish I was, but no. My name is Ashiana. I am the National Training Manager for the Face Shop. Sorry, I am sweating a lot. The humidity here is incredible. Hi Ranveer. Hi Rajput. Hello. Can you tell me the price? So that's a great question. So I've shown quite a few products. However, if you want to check out the products, you can go to Lifestyle app, our website, Lifestyle Store app or website, where we have an offer running specially for you to celebrate our masterclass. So on our sheet mask, if you buy 5, you get 5 free. And on our skincare, it is up to 50% depending on the product you pick up. Now the offer only runs for today, so ensure that as soon as we are done, you quickly go and purchase the products you want. They are all reasonably priced, and with the discount, it's amazing. Okay, so I saw 2 questions. One is for pigmentation and acne marks. So what I would recommend for pigmentation is the White Seed range. So in the range, you want to check out the face wash. It has an exfoliating face wash. It has a toner and a serum and lotion. So if you use products and especially from the same range, you will see faster results with your pigmentation lightening. Also, one of the things, it has white daisy flower in it, the White Seed range. What white daisy flower does is it controls formation of melanin. So it will make sure that you won't get a further pigmentation, or your current pigmentation won't go darker. For those who mentioned acne marks, you could use the White Seed range as well. And you can also use the Chia Seed range, the one that I showed you towards the end. So this little pink packaging. So the Chia Seed range is also great. Again, for acne marks, your Rice Water Bright is really good as well. It also is good for active acne. I'm sorry, Muralidhar, I haven't seen your question. I'm trying to look for it. Chetan, I see yours for blackheads. For blackheads, I would definitely recommend the papaya scrub. It is gentle. So if you have sensitive skin and blackheads, you want to use the papaya. But if you have, like normal skin, which is not very sensitive like mine, you could also use the Face Shop Black Sugar Scrub. Again, you'll find it on lifestyle stores. So either if you choose papaya or you choose the Black Sugar Scrub, it'll be great either way. You could also use the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser to help you with those blackheads and to ensure that there's enough deep cleaning that more blackheads don't get formed. Alright, so before I leave, I think Joey Pragna wants to see the products once more. So I have the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, the Oil Cleanser. These two help you with your double cleanse. Then you have a White Seed Toner that I showed you. After your White Seed Toner, you have the Papaya Scrub. All these products are available on the Lifestyle Store website and app, so you can go there and grab them and ensure that you avail of the offers that we have for today. The next product was the Calendula Serum. Then you had I showed you the Pomegranate Eye Cream. And of course, the Chia Cream. So the Rice Water Foaming Cleanser and the Chia Hydro Cream is one of my favorites. Can we use micellar water instead of oil cleanser? Absolutely, that's a great question. So Rice Water Bright also has a mild cleansing water, which is micellar water. You can definitely use it. However, the benefit of oil cleansing is that it deep cleanses. Remember, oil dissolves oil. So if you are someone who has very oily skin, or you are someone again who has flaky to dry skin, who doesn't want to remove excess oil, then you'd want to use an oil cleanser because it helps you with that. Can you try the products? So Namrata, right now no testers are available, keeping in mind the COVID-19. So that is for our safety. So you might not want to try the products. However, the products are, you can check the reviews. So you can check the reviews of the products on Lifestyle or on Google as well, and see if it does interest you. Can you suggest me? Okay. Hi Preet. Hi Preet Singh. Love Preet Singh. For dark spots and acne treatment. So sorry, I can't read your name, but dark spots and acne treatment. For dark spots, you want the white seed range, the white seed brightening range, because it will essentially lighten those dark spots. For acne treatment, you could use the Chia Hydro range or the Rice Water Bright range. Those are great for acne. I have another minute. I'm happy to answer if there are any more questions. Hi Dinesh. Hi Hardik. Hello. Any product for hair fall stopping? So one thing, Ankit, that you want to first figure out is, why are you getting the hair fall? If the hair fall is because of dry hair, then you can use the aloe gel that I showed you. So this is the aloe gel. So you could use this as a hair mask. You can use it once a week or twice a week as well. Just apply it on the hair, and then you can wash it off after maybe half an hour to 1 hour. Eyes, so for your under eyes, if you have dark circles, dark under eyes, you want to use the pomegranate collagen pomegranate lifting eye cream. Now the pomegranate extract helps with brightening the skin. It has marine collagen in it, which will help tighten that area as well, and it has hyaluronic acid, which will give you nourishment, and shea butter, so you will get nice nourishment. For blackheads, Khushbu, you want to use a scrub. So again, you can use the papaya scrub if you have sensitive skin, or you can use the Face Shop black sugar scrub as well. And whenever you're using a scrub, if you have oily skin, you want to go between 2 to 3 times a week. If you have dry and sensitive skin, I would say once a week should be fine. Only scrub your skin for like 30 seconds, nothing more. For pigmentation, like I said, you can use the white seed range to help you with reduce the pigmentation and to ensure that you don't have further pigmentation. All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for being a part of our session today. I hope this has helped you, educated you, and encouraged you to have spa-like skincare treatments at home, and to ensure that you get and achieve that beautiful skin glow. If you have any more, questions and I haven't answered them, please forgive me. Do once this video is posted, do put the question in the comments. I'll ensure I answer it. Or you can DM me on Instagram as well, and I'll ensure I answer you. Thank you so much for being a part of this session. Thank you so much for being here with me today and spending some time. I hope you have a great evening, and stay safe, everybody. Goodbye.